as member ng BICAM panel, ano ho yung information ninyo? Nagkaroon ba ng consultation yung BICAM panel sa executive bago nila itinaas yung dinagdagan ng 450 billion yung unprogrammed appropriations?
Well, there'll always be program funds, no? Meron naman talaga yan. As long as funds are available, it will be used for projects, no? Na, kumbaga, wala doon sa appropriations. But, siguro, usapan nila, hindi ko lang alam kung saan i-alap.
Linawin ko lang po, yung unprogrammed, naka-itemize naman siya. Hindi po siya parang pork barrel na parang, ay, ito, 400 billion for anything.
I think from what I know, it's itemized also. No? Meron kayong mga wish list na mga nakita because, for example, I'm a legislator, nag-iikot din tayo, may mga requests sa ibang provinces, but it's not part of the NEP. We write the Committee in Finance na sana malagyan ng funding, but ano na yun, hindi naman suntok sa ban, pero we're hoping that there will be excess funds dito sa program fund so that it will be funded.
Sen, bakit po hindi na ipasok to during the committee hearings as individual or even institutional insertions po ng mga taga-House or taga-Senate?
Well, kasi naman meron tayong mga ano doon siguro hindi na, yun yung mga hindi na kumasya, no? Because the House will have their own pie, we will have our Senate's own pie na ilalagay institutional amendments. So, siyempre sa dami rin ng hindi naman ma-accommodate lahat. So, some will be, yun nga, may lalagay sa unprogrammed funds. Yung mga, that will not be accommodated in the final line item in the budget, no? Line item. So, yun nga lang, ano na yun? Wish list na yun. So, hoping that there will be enough unprogrammed funds by the end of the year to be able to fund this projects that are listed in the unprogrammed funds.